Hello viewers, hello fellow engineers. This is Samsung S10 Plus. As you can see it on the video, the screen is damaged and the back glass also is damaged. Our professional engineer here is going to transform the phone to a new one. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Please share the video, subscribe and like. Distance will never be a barrier for you to reach us. This phone is being sent from outside states. So if you are also outside the state within the country, you can send us a DM. Check our bio for our WhatsApp link and our phone number is there. You can also search us across all the social media at White Collection. Make sure you test our work to testify so that you can give a testimony. Our customer satisfaction is our concern. Our integrity is our pride. You are welcome to White Collection.